Over the last few months, I've been on a traveling spree, my most recent one being to India for full 2 weeks of a fully gluttonous and overindulging holiday. After stuffing my face with a lot of yumminess, I decided to do a detox for my body because I started to observe a certain kind of bloating and a drop in my energy levels. So I began my research and found that there's a ton of diets out there, like the Atkins diet, the Zone diet, the keto diet, the vegan diet, the water diet, the raw vegan diet. There was just no end to it. My purpose and goal to follow a certain diet was not for weight loss, but just to detox my body and put my endurance to test. So I took a poll on Instagram and asked you guys which diet I should be following, and the most voted one was a raw vegan diet. So that's what I'm going to be doing for an entire 1 week. Most of you might know, but for those of you who don't, a vegan diet is a diet that basically comes only from plants. So it does not include any food that comes from animals. So whether it's meat, fish, dairy, or even honey, because that comes from bees. So when we talk about raw vegan, we're taking it to the next level, which means, as the name suggests, that it's completely raw. There is no cooking involved, which makes it extremely hard in my opinion, and that's the reason I wanted to try that. Hi guys, good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. It's day 1 of my raw vegan diet challenge. The first thing we need to do is go grocery shopping because I don't have a lot of fruits and vegetables. It is not easy to find raw vegan food. So for day 1 breakfast, I'm making an avocado salad, more like just a guac, with 1 avocado, tomato, onion, cilantro, garlic, lime. I'm also going to have a banana and some strawberry. And it looks pretty good. It looks quite filling as well. So it's lunchtime and I looked up some vegan curry recipes, which are raw obviously, and I'm gonna use some coconut water, some cashews for the base, garlic, onion, lime, some spices to make my curry sauce, add some vegetables to it. I'm gonna use the sweet potato spirals that I got from Whole Foods as a replacement for noodles. So let's see how this goes. It is quite good actually. The only weird thing about it is that it's cold. Normally I would have something like this a little warm. Dinner time, and I got these wraps. These are sun-dried tomato wraps, organic, raw, and vegan. And this is what I have here. So I have an avocado, some tomatoes, some mango, onion, cilantro, and lime. And I'm gonna use salt and pepper just for seasoning. It is legitimately delicious. So I'm making a smoothie with strawberries and banana, and I'm gonna add some chia seeds and agave syrup to that to make it a little sweet. Let's taste it. It's good. It's only 10 a.m. and I'm hungry again. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add some carrots. Oh, I have a cucumber. Okay, so I just had a little emotional mental breakdown because I was not feeling very good, to be honest. It's only been like a day and a half and I feel weak. I do miss eating like normal food, so I just gave myself a little break, and this is what I made from what the ingredients I had picked out before. So I had 1.5 carrots, and basically I just used a potato peeler and I just peeled it like that, and I did the same with half a cucumber. And I'm gonna make a dressing to go with this. So I have some onion, ginger, garlic, cilantro, and Thai chili, and I'm gonna use some lime as well. Not bad. Trying to be a little fancy. So day 2 dinner time, and I just decided to finish off the leftover carrot and cucumber salad from lunch because I'd made a lot of it, and I started eating a banana, so I'll finish that, and if I feel more hungry then there's an orange. So one small observation from day 2 is that I think my body has responded and has started adapting to this change. I'm still doing okay with it. I know I did have like sort of a panic attack or like a breakdown in the afternoon, and it was hard, trust me, but I guess I'm over it now, and I'm fine with having this food. Like my heart is not satisfied, but my stomach feels full, and I don't restrict myself. I eat as much as I want to and as much as my body allows me to, because anyway I've cut out all processed foods, so really like this food I don't want to restrict myself. So it's day 3 and it's about 7:30 in the morning. Check out the view outside. So I have my breakfast ready. I have an avocado salad with tomatoes, cilantro, lime, salt, pepper, olive oil, and topped with some flax seeds, and 1 apple cut up. Pretty basic. So we're making lunch and I'm back to my sun-dried tomato wrap. Cut up some vegetables here. So I have cucumber, pepper, onion, tomato, Thai red chili, garlic, spinach, some basil leaves and lime. And I'm not sure what dressing or like what sauce to put on it, but if nothing I'll just put some olive oil, salt and pepper. Cheers. Pretty good. Okay, so it's dinner time and I'm just having a pineapple, but I'm going to have half of a regular sized pineapple. That is it for my dinner. 7:30 in the morning, and welcome to day 4. I'm making breakfast. I had frozen some fruit yesterday, so I have 1 banana, about 5 to 6 strawberries and some blueberries here. I'm gonna make a smoothie. Some coconut water. I'm gonna put some agave syrup for sweetness and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Cheers. Yum. Okay, so it's lunchtime and I'm making a salad. So what we have here is an avocado, 1 mango, some corn, garlic, onion, cucumber, and I've made a dressing here. So this has some olive oil, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, some balsamic vinegar, and half a lime. Yum! Moment of truth. Okay, it's dinner time and I just decided to eat the same salad that I had for lunch, which is the mango avocado corn salad. But I have to say that out of all the salads I've made, this one by far is my favorite. Just finished working out and back to my smoothie. So this one just has 1 banana and about 5 or 6 strawberries. I like the smoothie. I know I keep on saying this all the time, but I'm kind of beginning to get a little restless about eating like normal food now. I really wonder how it tastes. I know it sounds crazy because it's only been 5 days. So for lunch today, I don't really have much time because I'm shooting a video and I have to go out and I have to get a lot of work done. It's gonna be the same old salad, but that's what I have on hand right now. So I'm gonna have to do grocery today, and today is my last day. Yay! So that's my breakfast.
2 oranges and a glass of water.
So, in conclusion, after following this diet for a week, I can sit here and rant on and on about why you should be following a raw vegan diet. But I'm not gonna do that because, quite honestly, I'm not a fitness or a health expert. And we all have a different body type, we all have different lifestyles and backgrounds, and what works for me might not necessarily work for someone else. So I highly encourage everyone to go out there and experiment and try it for yourself. And secondly, because there's also a ton of information already available on the internet, and I just don't want to sit here and kind of just reinstate all those things to you. Instead, what I'd like to do is share my personal journey and experience and the results I got out of it. So for one, I got rid of the bloating, which was my biggest concern. Secondly, I felt so much lighter. My stomach, my body felt so much lighter because of all the unprocessed and raw food, uncooked food that I was eating, like the cleanest kind of food that you could ever think of. Third, my skin started clearing up, which is always a great thing. Also, I noticed that I lost 1 kg of my body weight, but that was not my target. It just happened to happen because I was following, I guess, a very clean and healthy diet. Definitely my energy levels went up. Also, I started sleeping better. So all these are actual results that I experienced after doing this diet for a week. Would I follow this as a lifestyle? I don't think so. It's very hard to keep up with it, and I do crave, I cannot lie, I do crave cooked food all the time. So I don't think I can follow this as a lifestyle, but kudos to all the people who do follow it as a lifestyle. Literally, like, hats off. I have a huge amount of respect for you guys because it's definitely testing your tolerance, and it's great. It's just wonderful. But I would like to say that I would try and incorporate this diet at least once a week. So that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It took a lot of effort in making this video, and if you could show some love, that would be highly appreciated. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next challenge. Bye.